The 72-inch industrial ceiling fan boasts a sleek and durable design with 8 high-quality aluminum blades that ensure stable and efficient air circulation. Equipped with a cutting-edge DC motor, this ceiling fan is exceptionally energy efficient, consuming minimal power and contributing to lower electricity bills. Its aerodynamic blade design delivers powerful airflow while maintaining whisper-quiet performance, making it ideal for noise-sensitive environments. The intuitive remote control allows for effortless adjustments of speed, lighting, and timer settings, enhancing convenience in dynamic spaces. With integrated 24-watt LED bulbs, the fan offers multiple lighting options, allowing you to tailor the ambiance to your preference. Its reversible airflow feature provides year-round comfort by optimizing air circulation according to seasonal needs.